First, a CT scan is taken to monitor the bone levels around the implants. This is done every 2 years. The patient has had full mouth implants for 6 years and everything is doing great. The key to this is good home care and checkups. Filler material, also called plugs, are removed from the screw holes. They protect the screws from any debris and help the patient from feeling the holes. Then, zirconia teeth are unscrewed. The upper set of teeth are out and time for the lower. The entire process is simple and painless. A trip to the dentist after full mouth implants is a breeze. The restorative doctor checks the condition of the teeth. The mouth is rinsed out with antibacterial rinse to remove any loose plaque or bacteria, while the teeth are placed in the ultrasonic cleaner. The teeth soak in a tartar and stain remover solution for about 10 minutes, then they are scrubbed clean with a toothbrush. Looking brand new and ready to be placed back in the patient's mouth. The screws are placed back into the holes before they are placed in the patient's mouth. The team always makes sure the teeth are lined up properly and the screws are secured tightly. Lastly, filler material is added to the screw holes and wiped flush to the artificial gum. We're all set. Learn more at newteethnow.com.